Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss Current Affairs of May 14, 2021, top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. Last two questions are for you. If you know the answers, please comment in comment box. So please watch the video till end. First question. Which state government announces free education for kids orphaned due to COVID-19? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan on Thursday announced that children who lost their parents or guardian to COVID-19 will be provided free education and 55,000 rupees monthly pension. Second question. Who has been appointed as the head coach of senior women Indian team? Answer. Ramesh Pawar. Former spinner Ramesh Pawar on Thursday replaced W.V. Raman as the Indian women's cricket team head coach, regaining the position more than 2 years after he was sacked owing to a bitter fallout with ODI captain Mithali Raj. Third question. COVID-19 double mutant B.1.617 was first detected in which country? Answer. India. Lineage B.1.617 plus is one of the known variant of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. It was first identified in Maharashtra, India on October 5, 2020. It has been referred to a double mutation variant. Fourth question. Name the chairperson of Times Group who died recently. Answer. Indu Jain. Indu Jain was awarded the Padma Vibhushan, the third highest civilian honor in the country in 2016. Times Group chairperson Indu Jain died on Thursday due to COVID-19 related complications, company sources said. Fifth question. Name the digital platform launched by Airtel Payments Bank to make investments in gold. Answer. DigiGold. The gold is stored securely by SafeGold at no additional cost and can be sold through Airtel Thanks app. Airtel Payments Bank on Thursday launched DigiGold, a digital platform for customers to make investment in gold. This has been rolled out in a partnership with SafeGold, a provider of digital gold. Sixth question. Who has become the new Speaker of Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly? Answer. M. Appavu. The DMK on Monday announced that it would field M. Appavu, elected from Radhapuram constituency, for the post of Speaker of Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, for which election will be held on May 12. Seventh question. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Central African Republic? Answer. Ram Karan Verma. Ram Karan Verma has been concurrently accredited as the next ambassador of India to Central African Republic, the Ministry of External Affairs said on Tuesday. Eighth question. What is the price of Sputnik 5 vaccine imported from Russia to India? Answer. Rs 995. Imported Sputnik 5 COVID vaccine to cost 995. Made in India shots may be cheaper. The imported doses of Russia's Sputnik 5 COVID-19 vaccine will cost 995.40 per shot, said the company's partner in Dr. Reddy's laboratory on Friday. Before going to next question, please like this video and share this video to your friends and students and subscribe to our channel. Ninth question. Who has been appointed as the new UN humanitarian chief? Answer. Martin Griffiths. Martin Griffiths, currently United Nations Special Envoy for Yemen, will be the next Under Secretary General for Humanitarian Affairs and Emergency Relief Coordinator, the UN announced Wednesday. 10th question. Which New Zealandian cricketer has decided to retire after England tour? Answer. B.G. Watling. B.G. Watling on Wednesday announced he will be retiring after England tour, where in New Zealand will play 3 tests, including the World Test Championship final starting June 18 in Southampton against India. 11th question. Which bank has launched I Choose My Number feature? Answer. Jana Small Bank. Jana Small Bank has announced the launch of I Choose My Number feature for all its customers across India. This new feature gives bank existing and new customers the option to select their favorite number as their savings or current account number. 12th question. Which state has launched CG Tika web portal for quick corona vaccination registration? Answer. Chhattisgarh. Making COVID vaccination registration quick, convenient and hassle-free, the Chhattisgarh government has developed a web portal, CG Tika, for systematic vaccination of people in the age group 18 to 44 years. 13th question. India held its 4th financial dialogue with which country? Answer. Switzerland. The 4th India-Swiss Financial Dialogue was held virtually in New Delhi today. Secretary Economic Affairs Ajay Seth led the Indian delegation. 14th question. Which state has released Rs 60 lakh for stray animals? Answer. Odisha. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has sanctioned funds from the Chief Minister Relief Fund for a special cause. This sum of 60 lakh will be utilized to feed stray animals during the ongoing COVID-19 lockdown in parts of the state. 15th question. Name the 23rd district of Punjab which was created recently. Answer. Malerkotla. Malerkotla district is the 23rd district of Punjab, created on May 14, 2021, fulfilling the pre-poll promise of Congress Party. Punjab Chief Minister Amarendra Singh Friday declared Malerkotla as the 23rd district of the state on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. Questions for you. Who will be appointed as the new chairperson of NASSCOM? Second question. Which state started the first oxygen express train? If you know the answers, please comment in comment box. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel.